Hi guys, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the process that you need to go through each time that you have product launch. This is how we do it in our agency, and let's dive in. Okay, I've chosen this ASIN. So it's randomly chosen ASIN. So when you copy that to your Cerebro in Helium 10, select the proper marketplace, you wanna get your most important keywords and your competitors. So you want to hit get competitors button, and Helium 10 is going to pull some of them. Please note that there are many similar products from the same manufacturer. So you want to go ahead and choose something similar to your products. You can hover over each product image to see more information about the product. Is it close to yours in price, in ratings, in number of ratings? So you want to select up to 9 of them. So let's do Powerade and a few of the others that I know from the past that are like one of the biggest. Okay, that would be it. So you hit add competitors, and then you hit get keywords. Now, what Helium 10 does is now they are pulling all the keywords from all these competitors and combining the data for you. Then when you can add your filters to filter out by a search volume or whatever you like to do with those. I'll show you a few quick examples how you can do that, but you can watch the attached video up here on the YouTube card that I did in the past, how to do a keyword research and find your most important keywords. Now we've got 32,000 keywords. That's quite a lot. Let's do the Helium 10 has the quick shortcut here that you can click and get only the top keywords. That automatically populates a few filters over here, and now we only have 24 keywords here. So yeah, let's use those ones. So once you have your keywords, you want to go into Helium 10 keyword tracker, and I highly recommend that you go into the new keyword tracker and forget the previous keyword tracker, because new one is the future. It has many good options to use, and I'll probably record another video for those advanced options. The next thing that you want to do is hit add products. You select correct marketplace and you paste your ASIN here. Now pay attention. The moment I click to add keywords, you will be asked if you want to track this product on a parent level or a child variation. Now, for this occasion, it doesn't matter. I would select track parent and all variations, simply because all the other variations are just the variation in size or the taste, or for your product can be different size or different color of a product. Because you can only rank, we are tracking keywords here, and you can only rank for one child ASIN at the specific time. So you cannot have your 5 different colors of child variations appearing on one single keyword. That's not going to happen ever on a parent level. So that's why here I'm gonna just select on a parent level that I want to track these keywords. But very often when I have a specific child variation that I want to track, I'm gonna add the same keywords, different align here in a keyword tracker, and just select that I don't want to track parent and all variations up here. So once I click that, the system is going to check the ASIN, and they ask you if you want to track all the variations. For this instance, I'm going to click yes. And here I go back into Cerebro and see all of my keywords. You can select export data. You can export to Excel sheet or CSV file, and then you can play with it, exclude some of these that are not relevant. But for the sake of explanation, I'm just going to go with the simplest option, and that is to copy all to the clipboard and then paste them over here. Then you hit start tracking. What you will see happening is that here's the new one that you're gonna see. So all your keywords appeared here, which is great, but since we just added the product, you cannot see anything. I think in an hour or so you will start to see additional information here on stats and ranking. The next thing that you want to do is that you want to hit here under the number of competitors. There's nothing, you want to hit add. And this is very important because you want to add up to 5 competitors that you want to track their ranking for these keywords over time. That's very, very important because you want to add here your most important competitors. It doesn't need to be, don't need to be like top sellers in your category if they are not your direct competitors. So try and find your direct competitors. But for the sake of explanation, I'm going to just go ahead and include some of those that I know that are quite big here. Third one, fourth, and fifth. Yeah. Add, and then you will see number of competitors 5 over here. Now, I've added some time ago this additional one over here that so I can show you what happens. So in the overview, you can see that you have number of track keywords, you have number of competitors. Now you can see also the number of organic keywords in top 10, organic keywords in top 50, sponsors in top 10, and sponsored in top 50. When you click on this little graph over here, you will see over time how many keywords you had in top 10 organically. But when you expand these keywords, this is where the true magic happens. So you will see for each of these keywords how you're stacking against the competition. Okay, our ranking is okay. I see what's going on. For our ranking, I've selected to show only the number of the page that are where we are organically ranking. So for example, you can see P1, P2, P3, P4, or only P1 if all of your keywords are on page 1. To change that, you want to go to customize and switch this organic rank to rank only. And then you will actually see the ranks. I was messing with this the other day, so I left it at the previous settings. So you can see that this product is ranked for body armor drinks, even though it's not a body armor drink, on top 10. And when you click on this blue line, you can actually see your organic rank over the period of time. You can go back time like 7 days, 4 days, 30 days, 90 days, last year. And not only that, when you have your competitors added over here, you will be able to see their ranking, how they're stacking and going up and down. Also, when you have a longer period of time, you can select like this and zoom out a little bit and see what's happening more closer. And you can do that for all of the keywords that are currently tracked. For some of these, organic rank is really low because it's high. Competition is very strong with this one. Also, what you can do, you can select second tab and see your competitors directly and see how they are ranking on every possible keyword. So go ahead and explore on each of these tabs what you can see. So these are competitor metrics for you relative to your ranks, average rank of a competitor, and Helium 10 keeps updating this. So I think lately, every time that I open this one, it's different for all the others, for all the competitors. Here you can see also a breakdown for each competitor, how they're ranking for each of these keywords. So it's quite useful. You can see if some of them are up from the previous position or not. So quite a lot of data. I don't want to go too much into this because Helium 10 Keyword Tracker, the new version, it's huge. So you can, I will record a separate video on that. For example, you have a heat map that you can track also what's happening. So it's really useful. So this is something that you want to do at the beginning of every product launch, because if you don't track your keywords, how you're doing when you increase your bids, increase your budget, you want to track this day after day. Yeah, one final note. For what you also need to do is that there's an option to add this boost for some of your top keywords. For example, a few days ago, I recorded a video on how to calculate the updated version on how to calculate your budget for product launch. And when you select 3 or 4 keywords, your main keywords that you want to launch or relaunch, you want to select this boost option for those 4 or 5 keywords, whatever the number is. What this does is that it tracks not on a daily basis your ranks, but on an hourly basis, and you can only select a limited number of boosts. Yeah, so we have 250. That sounds like a lot, but when you have a lot of products, a lot of keywords tracked, you can easily spend all of that. So you want to add the boost option here, and now at the beginning of your product launch, you will see every hour the difference in your rank. So if you bid on throughout the day and update the bid, update the budgets, you will see how that reflects on your organic ranking and sponsored ranking for your product. So let me know what you think, and you can download this. You can put it in a spreadsheet, in a PDF, and give it to your freelancer or your agency or your team, so they can follow these SOP for every future product launch. So see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.